LinkedIn carousels are incredibly engaging. They help your posts reach more people, even those outside your network. But recently, LinkedIn changed how carousels work. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to upload a LinkedIn carousel using the new method, just like this one. Start by designing your carousel slides in a tool like Canva. Once you're done, download your design as a PDF file. Choose the PDF standard format. Go to your LinkedIn homepage. Click on Start a Post. Click on the plus icon or three-dot button for more options. Select Add a Document. Choose the PDF file you just downloaded. Add a title for your document. This will show at the top of the carousel. Click Done. Now write your caption in the Post text box. Click Post or schedule it for later. Once posted, your PDF will display as a swipeable carousel that users can interact with, just like Instagram carousels, but better suited for LinkedIn's format.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.